Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builds. I'm here on top of a roof. As you can see, the trusses are up. We're just aligning them, sheathing it off. Some of the fascia is on, which is right here. Getting everything ready. This is when we kind of secure the house, if you will. We got the palm tree that's eventually going to be moved. And what's unique about this here is we're going to have a parapet wall that comes up that's going to make this house look very contemporary. You're not going to see these trusses that's sloping down like it is now. But I got to get scuppers in here, which is going to be like a set, maybe one or two in this area here. And I'm going to build cricket, which is going to direct the water to where we want it to go. And it's going to be on this side, as you can see, and we're going to be on this side as well. So the block is going to go up there tomorrow. So we got that going on. And then crossing over here, there's a flat roof here that we got going on. So with this roof here, you can't really tell, but it's sloping from where I am right now going down to this area. So that's going to look amazing. And we have the fascia that's going to be coming on around here. We got the outlookers, what you see, this 2x6 is coming out. They got a string line already that you can see that's lining up the fascia, making sure they're nice and even with each other. And then we got a 2x12 fascia is going to go here, and then it's going to come around and go there, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Got to trim back this tree here as well, which is, we did a little bit of it, but this is a mango tree. And we're going to take this right here and come around as well. So if you continue to watch my videos, you're going to see this whole transformation take place. So what I'm doing now is just making sure everybody has all the material they need to keep this thing going. It's a hot day, stay hydrated. All that is garbage, which we're gonna, I'm gonna get cleaned up. Probably spend a day or so cleaning up, bobcat, dumpster, stuff like that. The ledger board is basically what these trusses are secured against. You got the buckets there. So yeah, everything looking the way it ought to look so far. Which means probably this week, next week, I'm able to clean out the inside, and then we're gonna do our framing layout. Get everything swept off the floor, cleaned up, nothing inside. Framers come in, snap their lines, get everything going. I can dry this roof in, which is gonna be a good thing. Dry this roof in. And then once I dry the roof in, then we can put the shingle on and all that good stuff. Flat roof is different, but get the house all dried in. The windows and doors come in afterwards. So this is what we do. So we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it fresh and make everything happen. Keep watching.